In this episode, we are going to talk about the electrical measurement tools, the tools that we are going to use in order to read AC and DC current, AC and DC voltage, amps, watts, and how to use each equipment in each specific case. The most important equipment that we are going to use is the multimeter, the digital multimeter. We are going to use the digital multimeter every day to check different functions. This is the clamp. There are clamps like this for AC and DC. Normally I use the clamp to read amps in AC circuits, the flow of amps in AC circuit. This equipment, the clamp, is accurate to read amps in AC because this is basically a magnet, the positive and the negative side on the magnet. And when you pass the cable with power, AC power, it's easy to convert the cycles in the AC signal into RPMs or into flow. For that reason, this clamp is excellent to read amps in AC circuit. Right now, we are going to check in the board for AC power how to use this clamp. This one is wonderful. This is the sure test. This equipment is used to check the integrity of the AC circuit in your boat or in your home. This equipment is used like the information that you have right now in the corner of your screen to check the integrity of the circuit. Other equipment that is widely recommended is the time domain reflectometer. On the screen right now in the corner you have the definition of the time domain reflectometer. This equipment is excellent to identify in a specific wire where is interrupted the wire. From this point until the end of the wire, in what point specific is interrupted, or in what point of that circuit the resistance increase or decrease. That's other equipment that we are going to use is the tone generator or circuit tracer. What is the idea with this equipment? I want to know, I am working for example in the engine room, and I need this is the cable, the orange cable that I need identified in the console on the fly bridge. How many orange cables you have in the fly bridge? A lot. With this equipment you connect one end, the black end, to any ground, and this one to the beginning of the cable. And you start this one and you follow the cable. When the intensity and the light increase here, this is the cable that you are, this is orange, this is exactly the cable that you need. This load tester is excellent because you can apply, when you apply the load, and you apply the load specific for that battery, because this system asks to you the type of battery, if the battery is gel or lead acid, if the battery is connected on the circuit, if the battery is disconnected outside of the boat or the engine, and and immediately explain in the report if the battery is good, if the battery needs charge. If the alternator is not working, this element analyzes if the problem is not on the battery, it's on the alternator. This is more accurate than the analog. Other important tool that we are going to use, especially if you are a surveyor, if you are an inspector, if you are a manager of a marina, you need the silver chlorine electrode in order to verify how is the bonding system in my boat. Let me check the voltage in order to check the frequency of this outlet. I am going to check the voltage AC, and right now I am going to introduce the prompts of my multimeter in order to check the voltage. Okay, the voltage is 120.8 volts. And I have both terminals of the multimeter connected in the outlet, 120. When I am reading voltage, I switch to frequency, and immediately I have the frequency of the circuit, 60 Hz in this particular case. Now we are going to check volts AC in the AC panel. We are going to use the voltmeter here, and we are going to check in this panel. We are going to check volts AC. In this moment, this panel is activated. Let me check if I have power here. It's connected. Yeah. Okay, this is the short power. The short power in this moment is connected. You see the short power is connected. Let me verify if I have power voltage AC in between hot and neutral. 122 volts, 123 volts. All right. And in the output of the breaker, let me check if I have a voltage. 123. Yes. This is the breaker for short power, this is the breaker for inverter, and this is the breaker for generator. We are going to verify with the tester, with the megometer, if the winding is good or not good. Okay, for example, this winding is damaged. This is hot, neutral, and ground. This is the frame, and this is the winding. Remember, the winding don't touch the frame because it's separated with plastic insulation. The winding never touched the ground. Okay, I am going to check this winding. Okay, one terminal, the black one, should be connected to the ground. The ground is here, that's the metal. And the other stay in the middle in 10 mega ohms. Remember, in chapter 14, check that video. The minimum for a good insulation is 1000 mega ohms. In this case is 10 mega ohms. For that reason, that motor starts, but when you apply a little load, the motor turns off.